Are you skipping key macronutrients in your detox, which could be stalling your results? Your body actually needs protein, fat, and carbs to fuel the detox pathways. So, starvation doesn't actually heal, it slows you down. Welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. I like to say that I went to school so you don't have to, combining science with spirit. So let's break down the truth about macronutrients for detox and why your cleanse might be missing the mark. So, first, protein actually builds glutathione and supports liver enzymes. Your healthy fats move bile to flush your toxins, and complex carbs stabilize your blood sugar and keep your bowels moving. So, skipping your macros can also lead to adrenal fatigue, cravings, and stall metabolism. So, these really harsh detoxes where you go on only juice cleanses or only water fast, while they may seem appealing, they can definitely be missing a lot of the macronutrients needed for detoxification. Inside of Intro to Holistic Medicine 2, Detoxification and Elimination, I teach you how to balance your macros for real detoxification results, not just for fads and fancy treatments. Also, too, this month we have our BOGO offer. So if you haven't completed Intro to Holistic Medicine 1, which is chock filled with all kinds of information about your nutrient deficiencies, to this month you can purchase both for the same price. So we're really excited about bringing Intro to Holistic Medicine 1 and 2 as their foundational courses to our holistic health coaching cohort. So which macro do you tend to skip? Protein, fat, or carbs? Comment below and let's talk about it.